Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 52 cents and $1.15 by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach 52 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2022 is 9 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz crucial examination. Chiliz is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and permanent exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into account quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is presently worth 11 cents USD. CHZ has moved 1.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $128,644,155. Chiliz is presently positioned 49 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $732,406,406 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Chiliz market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Chiliz value expectation 2022. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 17 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 16 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 14 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2023. In 2023, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 29 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 23 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 25 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 41 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 37 cents and a low of 35 cents in 2024. Chiliz value forecast 2025. Assuming that Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 52 cents, with a base cost of 47 cents and a typical cost of 49 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 61 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 58 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a greatest value worth of 64 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 72 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 76 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 70 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 82 cents and a yearly cost close above 88 cents in 2028. Chiliz value forecast 2029. By 2029, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 94 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 99 cents, averaging out at 96 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest CHZ cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.15 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.10. And, generally speaking, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. The group has previously gained huge headway in developing its associations, and presently they simply have to keep dealing with working on the real crypto token itself, assuming they prevail with regards to doing as such.